As usual, let me present material about the terminal. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ikomang Gede Bimantara Wijaya, cadet number 2102-168, class MTG 1.1. Okay, next, the terminal. Terminal is one of the component of the transportation system which has the main function as temporary stopping place for public transportation to rest and lower passenger and good the final destination of a trip, as well as a place for controlling, monitoring, regulation, and operating the flow system for passenger and good transportation. Besides that, it also function is to the facilities the flow of passenger or good transportation. Terminal consists of two types, namely number one, passenger terminal, number two, freight terminal. Terminal function. The passenger terminal function to regulate arrival and departure, pick up and drop people, as well as transfer mode of transportation in the integrated manner and control transportation. Passenger terminal, according to their service, are grouped in the three types, namely number one, type A passenger terminal, number two, type B passenger terminal, and number three, type C passenger terminal. According to the Ministry of Transportation, terminal can be distinguished based on the type of transportation used, namely in the front of number one, passenger terminal. Passenger terminal is a terminal to pick up and or drop passengers. Number two, freight or cargo terminal. The goods or cargo terminal is a terminal for the transfer of goods of goods from one mode of transfer another. Number three, dedicated terminal. A special terminal is a terminal that is affected by nature of the goods being transported. Number, number four, truck terminal. A truck terminal is a terminal that meets in the needs expressed by the number of trucks that can be parked or waiting in unit of time. According to the Ministry of Transportation, the function of the terminal can be basically based from three terminal-related elements, namely number one, passenger. The function of terminal for passenger is for the convenience of waiting, the convenience of moving from one model of vessel to another, where facilities and information are available counteracted by waiting room, information board, satellite, kiosks, counter, packing facilities, from private vessels, etc. Number two, the function of the terminal for government is in the term of traffic planning and management to manage traffic and avoid congestion as a source of retribution collection and as control of the flow of public transport. Number three, public transport operator. The function of the terminal for public transport operation is to regulate public transport operation service, provide rest facilities and information, public transport, crew and base facilities. According to government regulation of Republic Indonesia number 79 of 2030, considering traffic and road transport networks type A, passenger terminal is terminal whose main function is to serve public transportation for cross-border transportation and all inter-provincial intercity transportation. Combined with intercity transportation service within the province, urban transportation, and or rural transportation. So many presentation from me. I say thank you.